Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the Instagram request problem in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then open the wireless and the networks page and then enable the airplane mode and go back and go to the apps manager, go to apps and then scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find it, click on it like this and click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and this time go to the airplane mode again and disable it. Now all what you have to do is go to the Play Store and make sure that you have the last version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then you need to update it from the Play Store. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and see you in the next video. See you later.